What is up, guys? Musky here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a water bottle explode. This isn't the vinegar mixed with baking soda. Chuck it, freaking explodes. Those are dangerous. But I did it a couple minutes ago. It was fun, and I decided to show you to do it without any of that. So first you need an empty water bottle, and this could produce smoke too if you do it. So put your hand like this, like in the middle. Press it. Now, put your hand there, and twist it a little bit. Twist it. Twist it. Oh, oops. So twist it as much as you like. The more twisted, the more powerful the charge is. Oh, this is very charged. And now, what you're gonna do is unleash the cap a little bit, and then now, oh, then now you can see the smoke. That's a lot of smoke. Depends how much you twist it. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. See ya.